The good news about Jesus has gone to Luke chapter 22 from verse 47 to verse 53. Them arrest Jesus. When Jesus did still attack, all of a sudden one crowd come down. One of Jesus' 12 apostles them, the one we named Judas, did I lead them. Him go fi kiss Jesus, but Jesus asked him say, Judas, you go use one kiss and sell out the man where God pick. Jesus' special follower them see what happen and say, Lord, we fi take with sword and fight them. No, the leader for the priest them servant they did it. And one of Jesus' follower them taking sword chop off in right ears. Jesus say, who not tap it? Then Jesus touched the man's ears and fix it back. Jesus said to the head priest them, the man them were in charge of the guard them for God the house, and the elder them were come to him. I come with sword and big tick fi arrest me like me a old thief and murderer. Every day me there God house we don't know, and you never arrest me. But this a full time, and the time when the one will rule over darkness a walk. A God word this. Thank God